Hi students and viewers, welcome to Bashir Maths World channel. In this video I am going to explain now canonical form or normal form or sum of square form. It is continue the topic from previous video quadratic form. If you know quadratic form, now we will go to next canonical form. You can understand very easily canonical. That's why you go and check the previous video quadratic form. If you know quadratic form మీకు బాగా వస్తే canonical form కూడా బాగా వస్తుందమ్మా. After that one next video and very important problem is there. Reduce the quadratic form by canonical form by using orthogonal transform. That is coming in next video. In this video we will discuss about canonical form or normal form or sum of square form. Okay, let's go to the topic. Yes, look here, canonical form definition we will learn first. Already we know the quadratic form definition what ma? Q is equal to x power t ax can be represented by formula. What formula? Y power t capital D y. Then its canonical form is given by lambda y1 square, lambda 2 y square, lambda 3 y3 square and so on lambda n yn square. So where lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 2, lambda n are what ma? Eigenvalues. So eigenvalues. And D is called here spectral matrix. And also then orthogonal transformation is x equal to py. So already in previous video quadratic form what? Q is equal to x power t ax మనకు తెలుసు. And now in this video what we had to find out? Canonical form. Canonical form means y power t dy. Here D is called spectral matrix. Okay, remember this point. So this form is called canonical form. Okay, let's go to the here rank of the quadratic form. Rank of the quadratic form means the number of non-zero terms. Non-zero terms means what? Zero terms ఉండకూడదు. Only non-zero terms is in canonical form is called a rank of the matrix. Okay, so examples is there y1 square minus y2 square plus y3 square. Here all what is my non-zero terms. That's why rank is equal to what? 3. అన్ని పాజిటివ్ నాన్ జీరో టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, జీరో టర్మ్ ఒక్కటి లేదు. దట్స్ వై ర్యాంక్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ 3. సెకండ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఇస్ దేర్ y1 square plus 0y square plus y3 square. So here one zero term is there, y2 square. That's why we should not count. So how many terms are non-zero terms? 2. So that's why rank is 2. Next, index of the quadratic form. Index of the quadratic form means the number of positive terms. The number of positive terms in a canonical form is called the index of the quadratic form. It is denoted by the letter S. Rank is denoted by R. Index is represented by letter is S. So let's what is the index? Number of positive terms. Simple remember. Index means number of positive terms. So see example 1. y1 square minus y2 square plus y3 square. In this how many positive terms are there ma? y1 square plus y3 square. 2 terms ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఇండెక్స్ ఏమవుతుంది 2. Second example y1 square plus 0y square minus y3 square. Index what here? Only one positive term. So s is equal to 1. In this another third y1 square plus y2 square plus y3 square. What is index? Positive terms how many are there? 3. That's why index what? 3. Okay. Now next signature of the quadratic form. Signature of the quadratic form. Next rank of the quadratic form completed. Index of the quadratic form completed. Now signature of the quadratic form. What is this one here? It is defined as the difference between the number of positive terms and difference between the negative terms. Difference between the positive terms and negative terms is called a signature of the quadratic form. Examples here y1 square minus y2 square minus y3 square. Positive terms how many ma? Here 1. Negative terms 2. What is your signature? 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. What is your answer? Signature is equal to 1. Another example, second example, see that this side y1 square plus 0 y2 square plus y3 square. So positive terms how many are there ma? 1 2. Negative terms not there here. Negative terms levu. That's why signature is what? 2. Now next topic is in this nature of the quadratic form. Very important ma. Nature of the quadratic form. Questions asking now. The quadratic form, q is equal to x power t ax is in a n number of variables is said to be. Here first, nature of the quadratic form, positive definite. What is the condition here? If r is equal to n, rank is equal to number of variables and index equal to number of variables, then that is positive definite. Or simply another one, if all the eigenvalues are positive, all all eigenvalues are positive is called a positive definite. Okay. Second one, negative definite. If r is equal to n and s is equal to 0, index equal to 0, then that is called negative definite. Or what if all the eigenvalues are negative? All the eigenvalues are negative. It is called negative definite. Next, positive semi-definite. If r less than n, number of variables కంటే rank తక్కువ ఉండాలి and index equal to number of variables, then that is positive semi-definite. Okay. If all the eigenvalues are positive and at least, important here, at least one eigenvalue is 0. One eigenvalue is 0. ఒక eigenvalue 0 ఉంటే then it is called positive semi-definite. Remaining eigenvalue is positive. Fourth one, negative semi-definite. If r greater than n and x equal to 0, then it is called negative semi-definite. Otherwise, another definition, if all eigenvalues are negative, at least one eigenvalue what must 0 is called a negative semi-definite. Next, fifth one, indefinite. In the eigenvalues are some positive eigenvalues, some negative values, eigenvalues, some SYME, some positive, some negative eigenvalues are called indefinite. Okay, let's go to the problem, sir. Discuss the nature of the quadratic form. The problem చూద్దాము. What is the here? 2x square plus 2y square 2z square plus 2yz. Okay, this is the quadratic form first. 2x square plus 2y square 2z square plus 2y square 2yz. Now this quadratic form, how to write, you know very well. ముందే చెప్పినాను మీకు x y z, like that here x y z. Diagonal element first always what? X square y square z square. Next xy ni half చేయాలి. Okay, like that already previously I told you how to quadratic form convert into symmetric matrix. Like that ఇప్పుడు ఫామ్ చేయండి. A is equal to diagonal element 2 2 2 first square terms x square y square z square. Next xy term not there 0, yz yz 2 term yz what is there 0, yz how much 1, 2 is there half, so 2 2 2. So what is your matrix? Symmetric matrix 2 0 0 0 2 1 0 1 2. So here this, from this matrix we have to find out the eigenvalues, means formula, shortcut formula. Eigenvalue, how to find out eigenvalues, eigenvectors? Formula lambda square minus sum of diagonals lambda square, sum of cofactors of diagonals minus determinant A equal to 0. This shortcut formula sum of the diagonals came 6, sum of the cofactors A11 plus A22 plus A33, we get these values. Okay, determinant value we get 6. Substitute in equation lambda cube minus 6 lambda square plus 11 lambda minus 6. ఇది మనకి ఈక్వేషన్ వచ్చింది. ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ బై క్యాషియో. We can find out very easily eigen factors. How to find out the factors? Previous video I told by Casio. Casio to say lambda is equal to 1, lambda is equal to 2, lambda is equal to 3. All eigenvalues what ma here? Positive. So that's why what is the nature of the quadratic form? Positive definite. Positive definite. All eigenvalues are positive means positive definite. Next another question. Find the nature of the quadratic form. Same. First quadratic form take, write the matrix. How to write it? See this side, xyz. I told diagonal elements xy square z square diagonal రాయండి. తర్వాత xy by 2 xz by 2 xy by 2 diagonal ఇది ఇట్లా రాసుకోండి. We can symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix from find out the eigenvalues. Formula same. Now like told, lambda cube minus sum of the diagonals lambda square plus sum of the cofactor of diagonal lambda minus determinant equal to 0. So sum of the diagonals చూడండి ఇలా డ్రై చేస్తే 4. Sum of the cofactor diagonals చెప్పినాను a11 plus a22 a33. a11 means this one, we find out determinant. So a22 means this one minus 1, a33 means this one, find out the, we will get this one total, that is determinant value 0. Substitute in equation lambda cube minus 4 lambda square minus 15 lambda minus 0. By Casio find out this value. So lambda is equal to 0, lambda 2 is equal to 2 plus root 19, lambda 2 minus root 10. Student, some nature of the quadratic form indefinite. Some positive, some negative terms are there, 0 term all there, that's why indefinite this one. Nature of the quadratic form is indefinite. Next another problem, identify the nature of the quadratic form. Same quadratic form given, first diagonal elements write 1 4 1, then half of 2 minus 2 minus 2 1 1 minus 2 minus. According to this we can write like that. So same formula, convert into eigenvalues. Lambda cube minus sum of the diagonals lambda square sum of the cofactor of diagonals minus a. This is shortcut formula, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. Find out the values. Sum of the diagonals అంటే 1 plus 1 ఇది యాడ్ చేసుకోండి 6. Sum of the cofactor అంటే a11 a22 a33. We will get answer. Okay. Next determinant value 0. So what is the equation lambda cube minus 6 lambda square plus 0 plus 0 ఇది వచ్చింది. So from this we get what lambda is equal to 6, lambda 1 equal to 6, lambda 2 is equal to 0, lambda 3 is equal to also 0. So here eigenvalue is what 1 positive, remaining is 0 terms. The nature of the quadratic form positive semi definite up to remember this one. In this video what we had to learn, once again recall how to convert the canonical form. Okay, canonical form, how to convert. So from this what is the rank of the matrix, what is the index, what is the signature of the quadratic form. Next what is the nature of the quadratic form, positive, semi positive, next negative, semi negative, indefinite. So these are the understood. I think all of you understood this topic So if you understand this video, share to your friend this video, they will get the knowledge of this one. Okay, and also subscribe this channel and like also. If you will subscribe means you will get the new topic again. Okay, thank you so much once again. In next video we will discuss about the how to convert the quadratic form into canonical form by using orthogonal transformation. This is a lengthy problem. We will discuss next video. I will prepare next video. Be ready for watching this video. Thank you so much.